Hi, I'm Christine Pechstein and welcome to Move Into Action. I'd like to say hello and introduce myself to you. I am a life coach and a life and stress management educator. I teach people all about life and stress management and how it affects their mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual health. So yes, some of the training that is available is faith-based. You can pretty much find what you're looking for just by going through my menu. I've tried to keep it as simple as possible to make the navigation easy so that you can locate what it is that you need to manage your priorities, your time, your energy, and your resources efficiently and effectively. Find what it is, take the courses, look at the coaching, and get on with what it is that you need to do. I want to invite you, if you are a business or a church, to take a look at those offerings also, the courses and trainings that I do, because they may fit in with the mission of your organization. And if they do, I would certainly love to talk to you. So it's available for individuals, but it's also available for organizations. And if you have any questions about anything that I do, or if you're looking for something that's a little bit customized, let me know. Hit the contact me button and I will be glad to get back to you as quickly as I can. In the meantime, take a look at my About Me. See my certifications, look at my experience. I know Move Into Action, which you may not know, has been in business since 2008 and I have been coaching since 2004. So I do have the experience to back up the courses and the training that I offer, and I welcome you to take a look around, find what you need, and enjoy it. Let me know also, because I collect your evaluations and feedback, because I do research on life and stress management, and what you give back to me helps me put together further coaching and training that works to benefit others. So I look forward to you as you do your coaching and training, and as you utilize my radio show resources or whatever it is. Give me the feedback on it, because that helps me put together effective training and tools so that I can take the research and the feedback that you're giving me and I can put that to use to make what I offer even better and stronger and more helpful to you. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you here.